welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the long term or the monthly chart of Patterson Uti Energy INC. Now if you are looking at this chart is very clean and straightforward. Let me explain it to you as well as the target of Patterson Uti Energy INC. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Let me tell you how to divide this chart into two parts. So if I simply draw a line like this, you can see this is one of the biggest support that the stock has tested in its share price history and the lows of 2009. Now if I exclude this part, this volatility on the downside, for the time being this stock looks like a range bound stock, but we have to cover these lows as well because it is very important. Now because the stock meanwhile is standing tall above 7.75, which was your very important support, also 5.72. Now it is ready for an uptrend. So primarily 7.75 is going to be your immediate support, whereas 5.72 or $5.7 is going to be a strict stop loss. So do not go below these two levels on the downside. This is the first thing which you need to understand over here. Now if the stock continues to sustain above 7.75, what do we have here? We have couple of levels, a couple of simple price targets for you as far as the chart of Patterson Uti Energy is concerned. So above 7.75 we have 11.12 which the stock has already crossed. Then we have $13 as your next target, and the stock is very near, or actually it has also crossed $13 as well. Now if it crossed all the levels, the next targets that we are going to look at will be something like this. As I told you, this is a very simple chart, so we can't do anything. We just wait for the stock to retest its previous high. So what are the highs? So beyond $13 you have your first target at 18.68, then we have $23.8. After 23.8 we have $30, then we have 35.3, and the highest end of the range which the stock has tested multiple times throughout 2006, 2008, then near in 2011 it was $30, then again in 2014 it was $38. So multiple times the stock has tested the levels of $35 or $38 in the past couple of years, but it never makes a breakout above that. So this time probably this is the opportunity. If there is a movement, this is it. So the stock must sustain above the current levels, and primarily these are all the levels that we are looking at, and only if the stock moves beyond $38.5 we will have a big breakout. So let the stock decide, either it can go higher or not. We can't decide, we just have our simple range in between $35 and $38 on the upside. If the stock moves beyond $38.5 then it will be a big breakout. Now the question is how far it can go, how high it can go. And to find out the simple answer, we require these big swings, the small swings as well as the big swing. So in case, now this is completely hypothetical right now, because in case the stock moves beyond $38.5, the primary target we have here, or the at least target what we can expect in the stock chart of Patterson Energy, is 384. Now how this 384 from the lows of 2009 to the highs of, or to the resistance level, give me a price target of 384, which is giving me a target or big target of $174. If I may extend this level, it can extend up to 563%. So this 563% is giving me my next target, which is near 250 or in between $250 and $260. So at least these two levels, let me I'm not expanding beyond this level as of now. So these are the two levels which we are looking at in case the stock makes its move beyond 38.5, or if it makes a big breakout. So we have very big targets to look at going forward. Let us see how the stock will perform and we will reanalyze it again. So this is the end of the video. Thanks.